I am queuing up on my own. There's always that one road that no one ever goes, 'cause DPSing is all they know, while the game screen is reading no support heroes. When it starts raining barrel rockets, who'll be there to drop the beat? And if the team's Wi-Fi and OT, who'll bring them back? Ooh. It's hard to win a game without to lose to yours and Yada Mercy. We don't need 6 offense heroes to attack. And during the fights, when your HP's low, won't let you die, 'cause I'll always be close. When we grew, protect me from the foes. I'm in the back end, helping out my team when I get the chance. And if you mess up, I'll rest for a second chance. Come on, hit you with that stream of blue, get your damage enhanced. If your health bar needs a boost, then just ask, man.
I can't stop the healing.
That's a plan.
I can't stop the healing.
That's a plan. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical to get play of the game and all these gold medals. If no one's supported, then we get boned. Who else is gonna keep our tank on that payload? 'Cause I always wait before I lock in to find they've chosen 5 Genjis. Without me, you'll be pretty thirsty for health packs. Ooh. It's hard to win a game without to lose to yours and Yada Mercy. We don't need 6 offense heroes to attack. And during the fight,